Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to create faceless YouTube channels that can generate revenue. You might have seen channels with millions of subscribers that don't show the creator's face. These channels can be incredibly profitable, and the good news is, creating your own is easier than ever with the help of AI tools. In this video, we'll break down the process into clear steps. We'll explore how to find profitable niches, utilize AI for content creation, optimize your videos for success, and ultimately, start making money online with your faceless YouTube channel. The earning potential of faceless YouTube channels. At the beginning of the video, you might have seen some channels boasting massive earnings. It's important to be realistic about your income potential. While some channels do achieve exceptional results, these figures are often outliers. Consistent effort and a strategic approach are key to building a successful YouTube channel. Finding your niche, where AI can help. The first step is identifying a profitable niche for your channel, where AI can be a valuable asset. Tools like ChatGPT can generate a multitude of YouTube channel ideas based on your chosen niche. Let's say you're interested in creating white noise content. ChatGPT can provide a range of sub-niches within white noise, like cityscape sleep sanctuary, study and focus, or meditative vibes. AI-powered content creation, white noise niche. Example. For this example, we'll focus on the white noise rain niche. Many popular channels create content featuring rain sounds and calming visuals. Here's how AI can streamline the content creation process. 1. Video creation with InVideo.io. We can use a platform like InVideo.io to create basic videos. Simply provide a prompt like, "Make a video with rain images and rain sounds." AI will then generate a video based on your specifications. 2. Adding rain sounds. The AI-generated video might not include rain sounds by default. We can address this by downloading royalty-free rain sounds from websites like pixabay.com. 3. Free online video editing with Canva. Free online video editors like Canva allow you to edit your video further. You can import the downloaded rain sounds and combine them with the AI-generated visuals. 4. Optimizing video length. Popular white noise channels often feature lengthy videos. You can extend your video by duplicating the existing footage to reach a desired duration, like 1 hour. Optimizing your videos for YouTube success. Once you have your content created, it's crucial to optimize your videos for YouTube's algorithm. Here are some key steps. 1. Compelling titles and descriptions. Write clear and engaging titles and descriptions that accurately reflect your video content. You can leverage AI tools to generate title variations or use keyword research tools like VidiQ to identify relevant keywords. 2. Eye-catching thumbnails. Create attractive thumbnails that grab viewers' attention. While AI can't directly design thumbnails yet, you can find inspiration from successful channels in your niche. 3. Targeted tags. Include relevant tags in your videos. These tags help YouTube categorize your content and suggest it to viewers searching for similar topics. 4. Focus on watch time. While ranking high in search results is beneficial, it's equally important to keep viewers engaged once they click on your video. Aim to create content that encourages viewers to watch for extended periods. Monetization strategies for your faceless YouTube channel. Once your channel gains traction and builds a viewership, you can start exploring monetization options. Here are 2 common methods. 1. YouTube ads. Once you meet YouTube Partner Program requirements, You can enable ads on your videos. YouTube will display ads before, during, or after your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the ad revenue. 2. Affiliate marketing. Partner with relevant brands and promote their products within your videos. You can earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate links. AI can be a powerful tool to streamline content creation for your Faceless YouTube channel. However, remember that success on YouTube requires dedication and consistent effort. Focus on creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos for searchability, and engaging with your audience. By combining AI tools with strategic planning and persistence, you can build a sustainable YouTube business that generates income. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content creation tips.